Today I'll discuss about the practicals we have planned for the week 2. So 2.3.7 packet tracer file. This is the PDF. 2.5.5 packet tracer, then the PDF. So I'll open the PDF first. 2.3.7. So it's open here. So it's navigate iOS. Yani the operating system used in Cisco. This switches, routers, and all is iOS. Okay. Cisco Internet Working Operating System. So three parts are there: establish basic connections, access the command line interface, explore the help. So we have to establish the basic connection towards a switch or router. Here I am using switch. And what is the command line interface? How we interface with the switch? What are the commands we are going to enter? Okay. Explore the help. So if you don't know the full command, no, there will be help options there. Explore exe key modes, right? Exec modes, okay, or what we have different modes here. Okay, user exec mode, then we have privilege mode, then we have global configuration mode. Like all the modes we'll be exploring. Then how do we set the clock for this switch? Okay, so three steps are there. Go for the first step: establish basic connections, access CLI, explore help. So we have to connect PC1 to S1. So we have to first open the file. The file I already downloaded. This is the packet tracer file. You also have to open this file. Okay, just the packet tracer file opening will take a little bit of time, so we'll wait. It's coming. See, the scope packet tracer. Once you install the software in your laptop, you will also get the same thing. Okay, so as I told you, here the profile will come, so you have to write your name here. Rajesh. Here I have to type my email ID. You also have to do the same. Rajesh_kala@yahoo.com. Okay, done. Okay, now this is the question. Same thing I have in the PDF also. Okay, connect the PC1 to S1 using a console cable. So here, Mr. Where is PC1? This is computer PC1. This is switch. So connect using the console cable. Where is the connection? So I told you last class, this is the area where we can see all the network devices, intermediate device, router, switch, and all. This is endpoint device, end device, computer, laptops, and everything. And this one is connections. Okay, in the connections there are so many connections. Okay, this is WAN cable, console cable. Sorry, this one is WAN cable, serial cable. This is automatically choosing type. Then this is console cable, Ethernet, copper straight through, copper crossover. We'll discuss all these things. Now we are just discussing about how do we connect PC1 to S1, and they mentioned here, click connections icon, use the console cable, light blue console cable. Okay, so I'm going to choose the light blue console cable. This is light blue, this is coaxial dark blue, this is light blue. Take the console cable. One side of the cable connect to computer, you have to choose RS232 serial interface. RS232. Into the switch, you have to choose console. This is console connection between computer and switch, not Ethernet or LAN, or no LAN connection. It is first, if you want to configure the switch, no, we need to have a console connection. So I have to choose connections. In the connections I have second one, console cable, blue color. Okay, light blue. I take that one. One side you have to connect on the PC, you have to choose RS232 port, RS232. Other side you have to choose console cable. See, I will remove and again show you. This one is removing button. Remove this, not this one. I have to remove the cable only, right? Remove the cable. Again go back here. Now take the console again. Go here. In the computer side you have four options. I have to choose RS232. In the switch I have many options. Fast Ethernet, so many ports are there. I will choose console. Okay, that's done. So mention like this, the step E, up to E I finished. Now establish a terminal session with S1. Click PC1 desktop tab, terminal, verify the port configuration, click the settings for bits per second. So what I will do, I'll go to PC1. There will be physical desktop programming attributes. Go to desktop. So many options there. Choose terminal settings. What they told is terminal settings. Okay, because I want to go to switch, right? So terminal setting. In that, what is the bits per second? How much bits per second transfer? 9600. Data bits 8 bits. Parity and stop bits 1. So here just check the 9600 bits. Okay, that's the bits per second transfer. Click OK. Now enter. If you don't see anything there, just the blinking of the screen means see what you will do. You have to press the enter key. Then you can see S1 greater than symbol. This is the switch. So from computer, without double clicking the switch, I enter the switch using console port and terminal interface. See, I opened the switch from the computer itself. I didn't touch the switch. Just I connect a console cable, open the terminal, and I enter the switch. Okay, I'll show you again. Open the PC. I'm not opening switch. Okay, just open the PC. Go to desktop. There is a terminal window. Click the terminal window. Just I check the bits per second how much. I'm not changing. Just click OK. You can see S1 greater than symbol. This is switch first mode, basic mode, user exit mode. Okay. Now that's done here. What is the prompt displayed? This is user exit mode, greater than symbol. We are going to get the iOS help. I want to get some help from the operating system of the switch. So the currently displayed prompt is user exit, and this prompt is user exit mode. Okay, so just I will write here for understanding. A switch, the switch modes. Okay, switch modes of operation. Switch. First one, whenever you open a switch, it will show this mode. This is user exit mode. Okay, user exit mode, or the first mode of any switch or router is user exit. It is waiting for the user to enter the commands. Okay, so I want to get a help. I don't know what are the commands I can enter in that user exit mode. What I will do, I'll enter the question mark. Okay, so I'll go here. I'll enter. If you want, I will increase the font size so that sometimes some people complain, Mr. It's not visible. So I'll go and open the options, preferences, options, preference. We have font, so I'll make this say 20 maximum. Apply. Now come back. Okay. I'll go here again. I just closed, I think. So I'll open this one, go to terminal. This one, okay. See, I made it bigger. Now I want to see what are the commands available in the user exit mode. Yani this first mode. So see, the user is the system is waiting for a command. So just press question mark. See, when I press question mark, this much commands available in the user exit mode. This much commands available. Okay. Now I want to know the commands begin with letter capital C. So what I will do, go to save user exit mode, type capital C, question mark. When I type capital C question mark, there's only one command beginning with C, connect. I want to see how many commands starting with small t. Telnet terminal trace route. So you want any help, just put question mark. Question mark will give you all the commands, but if I want to get the commands begin with the letter T or C, then put the T and then question mark. Okay, that's what they mentioned here. See, after T. Then TE. So if I put TE, what happens? TE, then I'll have only telnet and terminal, because traceroute having TR, so it is not coming. Okay. Now what's next? This type of help is known as context sensitive helps. More information about the commands are expanded. Okay. So what is that again? We have connected one computer to switch using console cable. So from computer I open terminal. There I can see the switch window. There the first window showing greater than symbol, it is user exit mode. What are the commands I can see in this mode? Just put question mark. If I want to see the commands begin with a particular letter, just put the letter then question mark. Okay. This user exit mode or contact, in that when you type this question mark pattern, we say it as context sensitive help. Okay. Now explore the exec mode. Okay. Now we are going to explore the exec mode. Okay. So we are going to see what are the commands starting with. I want to see the command about enable. Okay. So what I will do, I will go back again. I will put en mark. See, there is a command called as enable. Okay. Now another help is there. Okay. Like I want to type. I don't want to type the full command. I will just type en, and there is a tab key in the keyboard. You can see the keyboard. You can see a key called as tab. So you want to see that? Okay. Then just I will show the keyboard. Google tab key on keyboard. Which key you are going to press? This key, tab key. Sometimes in laptop the tab. Okay. Sometimes no tab will not be there. Just that symbol, left and right symbol. So this is tab key. So after typing en, and when you press this button, what happens? Press this key, what happens? The full command will come. See, I'll show you. I go to the same user exit mode. I type en. Then I am not going to type the question mark. Okay. I want to get the remaining part of this command. So just I press which key? Tab key. Yani this key. This key. So I will go here. Just press this one. Now what happened? This symbol changed to hash. This is another mode. This is privilege exec mode. Okay. This was the first mode, user exec mode. When I type enable, I got hash mode. So here I type en, then to get the full command, what I did is I press tab key and I got enable command. Prompt is changed. Okay. Now this is privilege exec mode. This mode, just I will copy this one and put in the word file. Now the switch, what I did is in this switch I type enable. This is not case sensitive. Okay. When I type this, what happens? This switch has become hash symbol. What's hash symbol? This is called as privilege exec mode. So second mode is privilege exec mode. So first mode, user exec mode. Just I will highlight it. Second mode, privilege exec mode. How I got into privilege exec mode? When I type enable in user exec mode, I got privilege exec mode. Okay. After that, again they're asking what are the commands we can see in this mode, and what are the commands begin with letter C. Okay. So I'll go here. Just we know the context sensitive help now. So in this privilege exec mode also I want to see how many commands are there. Just press question mark. So when I press question mark, see so many commands are coming. So many commands. Okay, enter. Okay. Now what we do is that I want to see the commands begin with letter C. Capital C, small c, all are same. Okay. So there's no case sensitive. So just put C question mark. I can see clear, configure, connect, copy. Now Another mode is configure mode. So I'm going to use this mode. Okay. How do we go to configuration mode? So CON, after that F. Now I'll just put tab. Major, why don't you put C bar then tab? Because when I put C bar then tab, clear, clock, everything will come. Then CON tab means configure and connect will come. I want just this command. Either you type or just put conf tab, configure will come. Now this whenever the cursor comes, no, just you have to press enter key. Okay. So now what is the mode here? Config mode, global configuration mode. See, now I want to copy this into word file again just to show you. So here now I am in global configuration mode. Okay. How I reach here? I typed, okay, I typed in the hash mode, I typed conf, say conf, or just configure. Then you will get, okay, maybe in the question paper, in the this one practically we have S1, so I'll also make it S1, but actually by default it is switch only. There's no name for that one, so we'll change name later. So I got now configure mode. This is global configuration mode. Here I am going to change some configuration of switch. Okay. Now see here, prompt changes, configure message. See whatever I told you. Now I want to go back to, want to return to privilege exit mode. How I will go back? Okay, these are the commands to go back to the previous mode. And exit, control Z. Okay, we can use anything. So again I'll repeat you. What I did is I just enter the switch via console cable connection with the computer and terminal mode. Okay. First thing I saw is a cursor. When I enter the cursor, when I enter the key, press the enter key, I went to this mode. This is user exit mode, first mode. There I have seen some commands by pressing question mark. Then I type enable, I enter hash mode. This is privilege exit mode. There also I saw some commands. Then I enter configure or config symbol or config command. I got configuration mode. Now I have to go back from here to here, from here to here. How? See, either control Z, control plus Z, or exit. See, exit. Then if there is no cursor, nothing there, just nothing there means just press enter key. Again now in hash mode, I want to go back again, exit. Again, just cursor is blinking, enter key. Now I want to check what is the next step. Okay, now I'm in, okay, I want to go to hash mode. Okay, so what I will do, I will type enable, that also ENA. I don't want to type the full command, just press tab key, enable will come. Now in the hash mode, what are things they are asking, or privilege exit mode? Use the clock command to further explore help and command sensor. So they are asking show the clock. Okay, so I'll go here. There is information about show clock in. Okay, so show, sorry, show clock. See, the clock is showing 9 hours 16 minutes 40 seconds. Okay, and this is UTC. It's okay. This one March 1 993 is not updated. Okay, so the time is not updated. What you will do is you have to update the time, right? For that, what is the command is, so what is the information displayed? Time, year also displayed. Okay, 1993 March. Context sensitive help and the clock command to set the time of the switch to current time. We want to display the current time, so we are going to update the clock. Okay, so what I will do is I'll go here. I will type clock, then enter key. Now it is showing incomplete command. It is not complete. So what I will do? Okay, clock question mark. So we have to use set. So set again clock, but then set. Then I will put again question mark. Hour, minute, second. So hour, now it is 8 o'clock 08 colon 15 8:14, then second it is 00, done, still incomplete, then question mark again, month of the year, so this is November, so 9, then question mark, okay, month of the year, so how we have to do is clock set, see, okay, you have to mention the name of the month, not the number. So this is September, right? September. Then day of the year. This is today is 23rd. Then question mark. Year 2023. Now see, this is a full command. Clock. Then set hour, minutes, second in between this column. Two dots are there. Then month of the year. Just name the month, date, and year. Okay. So clock is set. Now some additional commands. Okay, what I will do, I will check. Now I am going to display the clock. Okay, just this one I set the clock. Now I am going to check the clock. See what command I displayed here. See, show clock. Show clock. Now see 8:15 44 seconds, then the time zone, then the day, Saturday, September 23, 2023. Okay. So issue the following comments and record the message. So you have to do this. Okay. When you type CL, what happens? Okay. So see again. When I type CL tab, CL tab, see tab symbol, nothing. Okay. When I type CL tab, nothing came. So see, then I put CLO. Now it's coming. CLO tab, clock is coming. And again, the clock, it will not come like this. Now you have to go for clock set. Like this, you have to give all the values. Okay, that's what we did. So whatever we did now, just asking the questions. Okay, this is the first question for you. Okay, this is the first question. So we'll practice in the class tomorrow. So be careful. Okay, to first go through the video, then only you'll get some idea.